How to do a vacuum leak check test. E90 BMW vacuum leak detection. So what we did, we disconnected the exhaust here, disconnected the air box here, and then you had the hose back here. We went ahead and loosened it, unplugged this clip here, sensor, and boom, we're going to remove this out, and then we're going to hook it up. So just remove this air box and we're good. Also remove this here front part, and then we're going to go ahead and remove the whole thing. Alright, so this remove here. Pull out. That's it. Up and out. Yeah, perfect. Got him. Have our machine here hooked up to the battery. Smoker's on now. Let's see where she comes. I heard it said take about 3 minutes for it to fill up, but give it a minute. And we should see what happens. Do we need to have the car on?
No.
No. Okay. See the smoke coming out?
It's leaking out of here.
Put that glove. So our smoke is coming from out of here. So I want to take this top off, this cover off, so we can see what's going on. But this is where our smoke is coming out.
Cap's leaking real bad right there. Between 3 and 4, where they all leak at, bro.
So that's where it's leaking. So we know where it's coming from at least. That's the vacuum leak. So we had to tighten up this bolt here.
Oh, shoot. It ain't coming out, right?
Yeah, might be a good thing.
Yeah, it's got a lot of pressure over here now, so.
It might have worked. Just tightening up that bolt.
Yeah, it did.
Wow, look at that, beautiful.
Yeah, now it's pouring out over here.
Alright, so let me turn it on and see, right?
No, we gotta put it. Bro, there's no more leaks, bro.
That's it, just that little piece.
But it's gonna come loose again, maybe, bro.
Tighten everything back up.
So you want to take this one off because you want to make sure. See how that goes in?
Yeah.
See how that goes in? And you want to make sure that these holes line up with the other holes, because a lot of times this will get pushed out and down, and they'll screw it in here and think it's tight, and it won't be tight. It'll still be loose and sucking extra air. So you want to make sure that it pushes through right here.
Perfect.
And then put this on so everything lines up.
Got him.